Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Angela with Flip and Flutter Creations, here to bring you another Cricut crafting tutorial. So today I'm going to show you one of the features of Cricut that you might not be aware is there, or you might not use very often because you really don't think it's useful. That feature is right over here next to the Layers tab, Color Sync. When you click on it, it shows you the colors of your project and in the different layers. So I have this sign called Everett. It's got the E and the little square in blue. It's got the planes in black, and then part of those blocks in like a creamy color. So I've got my three colors here. Now, a good example of when you might actually need the color sync is, let's say that somebody purchased this as a decal, which they did from me. This was a piece I sold and it was actually green where the blue was. And as I was going through here, here's the other piece. It was a little bit bigger. So as I was going through changing my colors, instead of clicking on every single layer that has that different color that I wanted to switch from green to blue, I was able to just change one of them over to the color that I wanted. So let's say that this customer decided they wanted a third decal, and instead of it being in green or blue, this time they want it in red. So all I would have to do is, I'm just going to pick one of the blues and change it to red. I'm going to go over to my color sync. So now all the things that are in blue, I want to be in red. All I have to do is drag them up here. And as you saw, I actually just did the whole entire section at one time. If I wanted the planes to also be red, I could drag all of them up. Now let's say I only wanted one of the planes to be red. I would just drag those up individually. So it makes it super easy to change the colors of your project very quickly, especially if you decide that one of the colors you don't really like it and you want to change it all super quick. So you can just drag and drop. It makes it very, very easy. That's the color sync. You don't have to click on every single layer that has that color to go in and change them. Super easy, just a super quick little tutorial in case you didn't know about that awesome feature in Cricut Design Space. Hopefully this video was helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up for me. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can see when I post my next video. Thank you so much, and I appreciate you being here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.